where the water covers the roadway. Just 1 foot of flowing water can be powerful enough to sweep vehicles off the road. When encountering The National Weather Service in Phoenix has issued a flood warning for Maricopa County in south central Arizona. This includes the cities of Glendale, East Mesa, Ahwatukee, Youngtown, Whitman, Waddell, Towson, Tempe, Surprise, Sun Lakes, Sun City West, Sun City, Phoenix, Peoria, Paradise Valley, Mesa, Laveen, Goodyear, Gilbert, El Mirage, Circle City, Chandler, Bargai, Avondale, northwestern Pinal County in southeast Arizona, until 3:45 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 9:46 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, law enforcement and Department of Highways officials indicate that numerous roads remain flooded across the area. Widespread rainfall amounts across the region of 3 to 5 inches have resulted in extensive flooding of washes and ponding of water on roadways and low-lying areas. Rainfall has begun tapering off. However, runoff and flood issues are expected to continue for the next several hours. Do not travel on local roadways if you do not have to do so. Delay your travel plans if you have the flexibility to do so. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or has been reported. Stream rises will be slow, and flash flooding is not expected. However, all interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately. Most flood deaths occur in automobiles. Never drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. Floodwaters are usually deeper than they appear. Just 1 foot of flowing water is powerful enough to sweep vehicles off the road. When encountering flooded roads, make the smart choice. Turn around, don't drown. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause elevated levels on small creeks and streams, and ponding of water in urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage areas and low-lying spots. A flood warning means flooding is occurring or is imminent. Most flood-related deaths occur in automobiles. Do not attempt to cross water-covered bridges, dips, or low water crossings. Never try to cross a flowing stream, even a small one, on foot. To escape rising water, move up to higher ground. Repeating, an aerial flood warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following counties in Arizona: Maricopa and Pinal. The National Weather Service in Phoenix has issued a